Hi everybody, it's me Aidan. Welcome back to my cooking show, my little chefs. Today we're going to be making an animal style salmon burger. The ingredients that we're going to be using are hamburger buns, salmon patties, 1 cup of water, barbecue sauce, soy sauce, chopped up tomatoes, chopped up onion, chopped up lettuce, and smoked Gouda cheese. And that's all. The items that we're using are a pan, a bowl, a plate, a spatula, a paintbrush, not really a paintbrush, and a fork. The first step is making the sauce. We need to grab our fork, our bowl, our water, our barbecue sauce, and our soy sauce. First, a little bit of water, then grab some barbecue. Barbecue! Ooh, it smells so good. Mix it in. Guys, you don't really want a thick sauce because it's just for flavor. Oop. Now, we want to grab our fork and mix. Next, let's get the pan, bring it over. Grab our oil, pour it all in, and brush it around. Now, I'm going to grab our bun. Ooh, mine are pre-cut. And since they're pre-cut, you can use them. Put them in the toaster. Push the second half in. Guys, put it on 4 to 5 setting. Now, put your buns back. Guys, now we want to get our patty. And put it on. Now, while it goes, we want to get our sauce and our brush. Get some on the sauce. Now, we want to get our spatula. And flip it. Repeat on the other side. Sauce it up. Flip it. Guys, now we want to turn it to low. Guys, it smells so good. Guys, now it's time to put on the cheese. Grab a piece of smoked Gouda, peel it away from the other, and we're good. Put it on top and let it sear. Yeah, we want to put some sauce on top of the cheese. Guys, they popped. Now, we're going to go over it, put it on our cutting board, and I think this is done. Get it? And put it on the thinner side. Guys, now we want to put our spatula back and start by getting our tomato and onion. Throwing it on top of our seared, beautiful burger. Now, I want to grab some lettuce. Lettuce to my tummy is beautiful and gummy. Yummy, yummy to my tummy. Yummy, yummy. Now, close the top. And we got one special thing. Guys, if you watched the Impossible Cheeseburger video, you know what that is. Guys, I can't believe we made a seared salmon burger. Which is animal style too. It's time to try. Stuff is falling out, guys. So saucy and good. Guys, I can't explain how good this is. Guys, gotta try this. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.